I didn't lose my GoPro.
That's where you were. I legitimately thought someone stole my GoPro. Had no idea where the fuck it was. Now, just to give you some idea as to what it was underneath, how much shit it was underneath, we put it back.
That's not how it was. It was like that, and then like that. And then under here, I had that, this crap, that, and then that.
So I still need to do some testing with the new Diff, because I haven't done it properly yet. I tried once when I said I was going to do it, and then from then I ended up losing my GoPro, but I couldn't end up doing it then because it just didn't work out. Alright, I'm about to go for it again. Prob's going to whip out the old mouth cam, we'll see. Sussed out in the area and it looks like we've got a winner. Last time I couldn't because there were people, too much traffic floating around, so sweet. That was already a lot better than I was hoping for, but I could do better. So I want to try another area just around here that might actually be better again. We will see. That one was 14.8 at 3 k's an hour. It's actually quite a warm day today. When I got my previous best of 16 something, it was like chill. It was prime drag racing conditions, prime racing conditions. It's rather hot right now, so we'll see. I've got to make sure I don't overheat my car as well. It's a bit of a challenge. Alrighty, so I'm at my parents' place now. That second one, the GoPro died and ended up being not as fast as the other one, so that's the fastest I got. Back at my parents' place because that's where my computer is. Probably going to spend the rest of the day here because I can. That's about it, really. I've been meaning to do that for like 2 months now, so finally got that out of the way. I'll just upload this and see what happens, I guess. Yeah.